Hi everybody, my name is Siavash from BigInfinity.net. I hope you're doing well these days. Today I'm going to show you how to use basic operators in Haskell. Let's check it out together. Okay, open your Haskell command shell. We start with arithmetic operators. We have plus, we have minus, we have multiplication, and we have division. For power function, we have three symbols, okay? 2 stars, single caret, and double carets. There are slight difference between them, but you can simply use single caret. If you like, read more about it, especially for those who study mathematics. It's nice to look at this page. I put the link in caption and see different implementation of the power function. Okay, it can be very helpful. Okay, let me clear the screen. If you use Windows, you should use CLS. Okay, clear doesn't work there. Clear. Okay. The next operator, and very important operator, is assign operator. We simply can use this symbol to assign any calculation or return of any function to a variable and use it later for any purpose. For example, we can save the return of this function and use it later for any purpose. Okay? The next operators we need to learn is comparison operators. Okay, we can compare equality, inequality, greater than, unequal, less than, and check, less than or equality, and check less than. Okay. But you should remember you can compare two objects in different classes. Okay, you must compare two objects with same type. Okay, for example, you can compare a character with a number. Okay, it rises an error to you. Okay, if you try to compare, for example, two characters, Haskell compare them alphabetically. That means A is less than B, B is less than C, and any capital letter are less than any normal letter. Okay? And last operator I should say to you is operator between Boolean object. We have or, and not operator. Okay. I should mention you can use not, for example, in this way. If you try, it rises an error because Haskell think you try to use not for 5. Okay. If you want use it this way, you simply can use parentheses to remove any misunderstanding. Okay, it's work fine. Let me clear the screen and finish the lesson. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget subscribe my channel and share it with your friend. Take care of yourself until we meet again.